May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Come for talk facts, not talk trash. Is it? Yeah man, come for talk about I see the artists them you don't know. Massacre, Popcorn, Skilly Bang, TJ, Spice, you see me? Yeah man. Cool artists them, great artists them have them talent. It's what I try so. But the thing I'm come for talk about people. See, we see what I go on. All of them it's signed to a label. You see me? Yeah, we don't know Popcorn with the label no more. You see it, you know, they signed to OVO and thing. Spice. I think our VP Records. Should not sign no more. You see me? Skill is still with Fame label. TJ with Fame label. You don't know Massacre. You see me? But we don't really see what going on. We don't see nothing, no big moves. You understand? And it's like from one thing I know Jamaica, from the label left them, you know. From them left the label is like I eat that. You see me? Everything gone as an independent artist, it kinda different. Kinda go harder for carry to that level to take time. You see me? Cause the strings of the label have. You as an independent artist not really have so much strings you can pull and all of them little things, you see me? So all to that to say, them artists you don't know. Spice right now, you see me? She just in the media, the drama thing, you see me, her music. It not really go on with anything right now, you see me? She try do what she can do, you see me? You don't know she not love and hip hop thing. You see, that go and get her look thing, but music wise, nothing really did it. Unless she forward with some drama with the music, then you know it go viral and people forward out and all of them look things, you see me? Popcorn right now, you don't know Popcorn are good artists since we don't know they go Trinidad where they go perform and thing, but you know, I'm independent right now, so it's like all them big moves they kinda gone right now, you see me? Him been a drop music lately, but he not really sing, you see me? Can't tell when last him get a hit song and thing, but you don't know him have other hit song out there and thing, but nothing now go on, you see me? I just look at internet sensation, you don't know him and Shalom Apar and all of them little things, so people are go do them little thing and you know. That kind of game like a moment with when them go down a Trinidad where they, you know, they look a doubles thing. You see me, and Shalom call up Bxttyman name and all of them little thing, you see me? So nothing really did it musically, you see it? Yeah man. Cause you don't know if him left the label. You see me, they run Drake, he might get like a collab and all of them little thing, because most of them big song them a collab, you see me? When do with bigger artists and them look something. So one of them thing there. Him left the label, but it's like him gone back to normal right now, and I just say go. You see me? But you don't know him still do him thing. You see me? Build him catalog and all of them things. Him can go and eat off him catalog and thing. You see me? Go and live off him catalog and thing. But I don't know if you know some of my music. I don't know if him own some of my music. You see me? Yeah, I don't know, but you know that go. Him a do him thing. You see me? But the music them recently, nobody now give it that eye to it. You know I'm fun to do it, but like you know globally and so. The moment I'm not really like back then, you see me? Yeah man, you don't know TJ. TJ started off good. You don't know Rockstar Riches and Boss and all and up top Boss, all of them look a thing, you see me? But you don't know him get a drift car. Drift, you know. You say if Drift they just put out as just a song alone, man I feel it would have get that big without the dancing routine thing, the TikTok thing, you see me? Because that really get the push, you know. The dance routine get the push. And you know a dance also. People are go connect to it and all of them look a thing, but you don't know them sign. You see me? I think him sign with our Warner Boy and thing and but after the signing and you know nothing of there again. You see it, nothing now go on. Right now we don't hear nothing from him. You see me? I don't know, maybe my job song but it's like that just gone. You see it? Nothing now go on. But things say our next song would have come out like Jish, but I just eat that. You see me? Cause remember you know when you sign, you know, you certain look thing you know have control and things, you see me, but we don't know what I go on for TJ, you see me? And I'm young so and I like Shaggy it wasn't me and thing, wasn't me go big. You see me Shaggy can live off of that song to go big worldwide, but Drift not reach the moment the way that reach so and him young, you see me TJ need more for build him thing and but you know him did him sign so don't really know what going with him. You see me? You don't know Skilly Bang. Skilly Bang a do him thing, him get wap wap, him get the thing with Tyler, you know I collab that. You see me? But after that, nothing really did else. You see me? Recently him with a song with the girl there. Like you know the girl them wind up and thing have them under them face. Him have a little collab thing and thing a go on, you see me? But yeah, it a go on, you know, the TikTok world and thing, but the big part I you know really did it, but it a go on with thing. You see me? But face Skilly drop an album, I think about 40 something track. like enough songs that we put on an album, you know, but for sure, it not going away. When I see no numbers, nothing. When I hear nobody talk about it, you see me like, yeah, you get the collab and everything with the label and wap, yeah, but do him shows and everything. You don't know, Skilly Bang gonna really want good performer, you see me? But him have some catchy songs and thing, but him still need more improvement, you see me? Cause sometimes they look at world thing and traveling and them thing they might fool you or whatever, but him not really have the compact music there yet, you see me, when him can sing on stage really, you see me? So they look at signing thing right now, cause him put out much album, but the album them not gonna away, you see me? He not gonna away, and it's like him I try put him in this trap world thing, but it not work, you see it? Right now if the label drop Skilly Bang right now, it worse for him. It go worse for him. Because the label sign him when him in prime. You see me? Him not get a good catalog yet when him sign, and then once him sign, the label go suppress certain things. So look at Tyler song now, yeah. You don't know BET awards and certain look at thing, and you get him mobile awards. And you don't know once you know a signing thing. You go get that accolades, you go push your song, all of them look at something. So just expect award. You see me? Expect them thing when label sign them go push your music, promote it, all of them look at thing there. So you could get accolades, you see me? Yeah, a lot of things I go pick up. But you don't know. He might do him thing, but I feel like say Skilly Bang have more to do. You understand? Him really have more to do. You see it? Really have more to do in our business. And right now him thing kinda ease right now, you see me? Cause I'm not too see nothing right now. You see me? I just look at song I want, but from him sign to now, you can hardly pick out the song them. You see me? You know him do something with Russian and Najee Boy and you see me? All of them look at thing there, but them not really go worldwide to the maximum way, you see me? Yeah, I just that. You see it? And you don't know Massacre now. See? Massacre. Massacre not really I don't really know what I'm going with Massacre, you see me? Him sign, I think him say him have the label thing. Him have the contract up for about a year and then after the year him sign it and all of them look at something, you see me? Once him sign, see him drop an album for them, you see me? I think last year him did drop a next album, but I don't really know what happened. Yeah, him get Whites, but for the start of the year, Massacre do 2 project push out with Massacre, see? 2 project, and them project there is like a collab them, him and Cranium, see? Him and Cranium, and him drop a little remix. I know what the label do it with Michelle Montana, see? But when you listen to the song with the Whites, so him do with Montana, see? It's like you have to wonder if a Montana song or what. Is what I try to say. You have to wonder because the situation there, nah, make no sense. The song just crash there, so. Is what I try to say. Yeah man, the song crash. You see, but all of them artists, yeah, you see me, a good artist them, but I don't really know what really are going on. You see me? Some still left sign, some not sign, but it's like, I don't know, it's like to me, them career can't really do without the label to push them certain way. You see me? I just some see it because it just nothing add up. You see me right now? Yeah, artists can sign, you know. You see me, nothing wrong with signing, but I really way you go sign, forget, you understand? Because if you don't have true fans, you know, that's the thing, you know. You might have followers, but you don't have no fans, and that's the thing. You see me? Followers no mean say yo, you go, them go support you or anything. You see me? You know mean like that. Followers just want to see where you're going with, but I mean say them support your music. If you have your true fan base now, or buy your music and all of them look at thing that yeah, thing will work. You see me? Yeah man, thing will work, see me, so you have to make sure say you build your thing and build your fan base. Just build your fan base. You see it? Build your fan base. So when you build your fan base now, you have that compact. So when you drop your music, your fans support it no matter what. You see it? Yeah. Because you don't have some fans are wagonist, you know. They only support you when you see me things are going for you, but after that now, if not going for you and you drop something, them still not support you. You see me? Yeah. And the label, the signing thing for certain artists, I feel like say Jamaican artists signing is kind of weird because the market, we have the market on a low level, you see me? Low level. Jamaican are really that big, you see it? So the dancehall space kind of small. It's a small place, you see it? So when you sign as a Jamaican artist, and I like back then, you see me? Because back then the different label them are signing, you know? You see like how you have social media now, see it? And that the label them did that do. Label was like social media now, back then, you see me? So it's kind of easier now. But now when you have social media, have a lot of big influence and all of them things. Them the label that you use right now. So the label say, yo, go get your fans them and fall back so them can get them streams and things and make back them money. You see me? And if you realize, see, especially Koffee. Koffee just get dropped. You see it by our label and thing, but where Koffee did do a thing where she got do this song with I think a Sam Smith, and from that the people them just say yo, what you do, and them we kinda lose her and after that. I mean, feel say she would have forward back after that in the car. It don't look good pan Jamaican culture, you see me? Yeah, we never you see me dance or especially reggae not too mix up in them something there. You see me? So when me see all of them look a situation there, it just Koffee thing. I don't know what really going on, but I guess she just say, oh, I eat that car. When I hear a song for years, when I hear nothing. You see me? It seems to me like she live a foreign, but you know the label dropped her recently. But I think she still signed to another label in Europe. You see me? She still signed. It's just that the US one, you see me? They must say, yo, it don't make sense right now, because nothing really come in, you see it? Yeah, so. But you have Shensia to Shensia going with her thing, you see me? But I just feel like Shensia just stuck at one level. You see it? Yeah, man, she stuck at one level, man, where it just, I don't know, it just she need a big song there, you see me? She need a big song. Big song. We talk about a song like what Tyler get, the girl from down in Africa. Something like that. You see me? She don't really get a big song there. You see it? Yeah. Just that she want, but I don't know what she really want, because sometimes she want to tap in, she want to do different music and she want to do this, but what really makes she a big set of song them are the same dancehall song them. You see me, like Bless, you see me? You have Hit and Run and all of them little thing there. You see me? Hit and Run a big song, but you know, big, really big wise. You see me? You don't know me I talk about big, me I talk about hit and you collect this. No, me I collect all of them look something. You see me? Yeah. I just start. But Koffee missing. Because Koffee give up. You see me? Koffee really give up. You see it? Yeah. Koffee give up. But I realize, and remember too, you know, Jada Kingdom too. She did sign to on the label job you see me? But if you realize, you know, Jada Kingdom like she had give up right now, because last time she had say, oh, she don't want to sell her soul and all of them look thing there. You see me? Yeah, like, I don't know. But with Jada Kingdom, to me, I feel like say our body more marketable than our song. Like if you watch our show, them is like the way how she present herself, which is a good promotion, but when you do too much of certain things, it kinda make things balance. You see it? Yeah, and she not confident enough in her music, and that I feel hold back her too, because sometimes she depends on some live, and you see me, the live them what she did and she had do the live them and all of them. It's like she say, yo, like the people must say drop an album, and she say, yo, wanna want me drop album for and all of them little thing there. You see me, what I go do, and you know, she not really confident in herself, and that's why things kinda, you know, she going a little while with she and Steph London and thing, and you see me, but nothing really go on. You see me, nothing really go on for the artists them. You see it? Yeah. Like them should not depend on some big level. You see with the label them big level. But as I say, it's like sometimes our music as dancer and not really everybody can understand it, you see me? And the lyrics and certain little thing, you see me? I really understand. I just like certain little play words and all of them some people will catch, but we need we long for some Shaggy and some Sean Paul level, you see me? Commercial wise and all of them look something, you see me? Shabba ranks. Them level they were for pre right now, you see me? And if we not go sign, we make sure we don't have enough funds, enough to build the thing first before sign. Because I remember, you know, right now to me, it better. To me, some artists can sign, but better to me, just go and build a thing independent, you see me? Yeah, you can sign a little distribution deal and thing and go and sing with that and every little thing, you see me? But signing thing right now with the power of social media, I don't think that will work out right now, because most of the artists them nowadays, them just go independent, you see me? Because, you know, label try to make money, you know, own your song, you see me? Because I remember, you know, give you your pension, you know. When them label own your song, you know, Zine, when you stop sing, you don't have nothing. When you get old, you don't have nothing for collect, because of them have all of the royalties and the song and all of them something there. So I feel like say it better. Come in by now, look at money where you get off I show them, you know, that I got done in due time, you know. Unless you go in a venture and have your own business and all of them look at their investment or real estate or something. But if you are an artist and you sing much song and you don't own it and all of them look at thing there, you see me? It not really gone away. You see it? Your pension money gone and label go continue to collect for them songs for years. You see me? So artists them don't need to start maneuver on the masters. I want to own a thing now because of it on a pension. Because remember it's not like a 95 and not like you have no artist fund where pay insurance and them, you see me, no retirement fund no there. You see me, like when I work one job and you have pension for collect. As an artist, you sing them or you sing. Your royalties are that of your pension or you collect money for your lifetime thing. You see me? So yeah man, people wanna just have to just them artists are a good artist them. You see me, but it's just that the signing to me not really work for them. I push them to that level there yet, you see me? And when them done in and the label done with them, you know, because soon after this, you know, like the label, I got just have a certain percentage in the artist because social media is there and certain little things. AI come take over all of them little things, you see me? So yeah man, the people them artists don't need to have no control on the music right now, because it now go look good. It best to not have the music when you can live off of. You see me, your kids can forward and you see me, inherit it and all of them little things, you see me? So yeah man. But a good artist, all of them are good artists, and you know, them have them unique way in them own and all of them little thing. But I don't know where really signing I really do for enough of them. Cause to me, the signing thing does suppress them. They not really put out no music and all of them little thing. You see me? Them just want a good team for their around him. Cause when the label drop them, you know, and we see what going with Popcorn, we see what going with Spice, you see, we see what going with Koffee, we see what going with Jada Kingdom. You see me? So I say the thing, you see me? But people I don't know, you know. Big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man, that is it.